Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix verification code not received. Now, if you are on your iPhone and you cannot actually receive the verification messages from Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, etc., you can simply do the following steps. The first step is to open the settings, then go down here to messages, then go here to iMessage and toggle this option off, then wait for a couple of seconds, then toggle it on, and you will see here this message waiting for activation. Then it will activate automatically. This is the first step. The second step is to scroll down more till you find here this option, send as SMS. You have to make sure that this option here is toggled on. So toggle this option off, then toggle it on again, and make sure that it's toggled on. Then you should scroll down till you find here filter unknown senders. You have to make sure that this option right here is toggled off. So toggle this option off. Now you want to go to blocked contacts and see if you have any contact that actually can be a bot. So you can filter them. You just have to go to edit on the top right side first. And now what you should do is to search for any number that can be a bot that can send you some verification messages and unblock this number in order to get the verification code from it. So in some cases, any social media account or any actually facility that will send you a verification code, they might send you it through a normal phone number. So you have to unblock the phone number that they will send you a verification code from. After that, click on done right here on the top right side. And now the last solution that you can actually try, or actually the last three solutions that you can try, is to swipe up your phone, swipe up, and you will see here this menu. You just have to toggle the do not disturb mode off. So if you are activating the do not disturb mode or DND mode, just toggle the mode off, turn it off. And you can also try to toggle the airplane mode on, then toggle it off again. Or you can lastly restart your phone. So after restarting your iPhone, you can also fix this issue. And that's all for today's video. If you find helpful and useful, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.